What is a callable? Now that it's clear what a metaclass is, there is an associated concept that I use all the time without knowing what it really means. I suppose everybody made once a mistake with parenthesis, resulting in an object is not callable exception. What's more, using underscore init underscore and underscore new underscore lead to wonder what this bloody underscore call underscore can be used for. Could you give me some explanations, including examples with the magic method?
A callable is anything that can be called. The built-in callable, callable underscore check in objects.c, checks if the argument is either an instance of a class with a underscore call underscore method or is of a type that has a non-null tp underscore call, c struct, member which indicates callability otherwise, such as in functions, methods etc. The method named underscore call underscore is, according to the documentation, called when the instance is called as a function. Example.
From Python's sources object.c. It says, if an object is an instance of some class then it is callable if it has underscore call underscore attribute, else the object X is callable if X, OB underscore type, TP underscore call not equal null. Description of TP underscore call field. Ternary func TP underscore call an optional pointer to a function that implements calling the object. This should be null if the object is not callable. The signature is the same as for pyObject underscore call. This field is inherited by subtypes. You can always use built-in callable function to determine whether given object is callable or not, or better yet to just call it and catch type error later. Callable is removed in Python 3.0 and 3.1, use callable equals lambda o column hashtag o, underscore call underscore, or isinstance o, collections.callable. Example, a simplistic cache implementation. Usage. Example from standard library, filesite.py, definition of built-in exit and quit functions.
A callable is an object allows you to use round parenthesis, and eventually pass some parameters, just like functions. Every time you define a function, Python creates a callable object. In example, you could define the function func in these ways, it's the same. You could use this method instead of methods like doit or run. I think it's just more clear to see obj than obj.doit.
Let me explain backwards. Consider this. A syntactic sugar for where foo can be any object that responds to underscore call underscore. When I say any object, I mean it, built-in types, your own classes and their instances. In the case of built-in types, when you write you're essentially doing. That's also why you don't have foo equals new int in Python, you just make the class object return an instance of it on _call_. The way Python solves this is very elegant in my opinion.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.